In today's video, I want to share with you some of my favorite ride or die tools for Instagram marketing. These are the tools that I use to manage my business as a social media manager, and I also use them to create content and strategy for my clients. So if you're new here, hi, please subscribe. My name is Ellie and I'm a social media strategist. Let's get started. So for the purpose of this video, I've broken down these tools into specific categories. So the first category of tools that you need for Instagram marketing is content generating ideas. So my favorite content generation tools are BuzzSumo, Ubersuggest, Twitter, Reddit, and Facebook groups. So there are a lot of places that you can go nowadays to find ideas on what to post. The most important thing is finding a tool that or a website that gives you recommendation based on a specific keyword. So that's why I like to use tools like BuzzSumo and Ubersuggest. So these are tools that I use for blogging as well, not only for coming up with Instagram content. And the other tools that I mentioned, Twitter, Facebook groups, and Reddit, I specifically use them to come up with Instagram content ideas. So for me, the way I use Instagram marketing is I'm creating content that helps my ideal audience solve a problem. So I need to know what problems my audience is facing. So for that, I'll go to either Twitter, Reddit, or Facebook groups. I'll ask a question or I will find out what people are talking about. So this is called social listening. So let's move on to the next category of tools that you need, content creation tools. So my favorite tools, without further explanation, is Canva. So I use Canva for creating beautiful graphics. I use Canva for creating branded images and quotes and everything. It's included there. It's free to use for everyone, so I highly recommend you to try it if you haven't yet. So for me, I recently switched up to the paid plan and I'm loving it because the more clients I get, I can customize their fonts, I can add their color schemes, so it makes my job much easier with just a simple click to just randomize and mix everything up to the specific brand that I'm using. So that's the reason why I love Canva so much. Plus you'll find thousands of templates and there are new templates being released every single day, so you don't run out of content ideas. The next tool that you may not have heard of or you may have used it, it's something very similar to Canva. It's called Adobe Spark Post. So it also comes with a mobile app. It comes with a desktop version. So it works pretty similarly with Canva, but I find that they have more font variations. So if you're someone who likes to post quotes, a lot of graphic text, graphic style images, I think that you will love Spark Post because you can also remix the style. You can remix it with your own font, imagery, and everything else that you can do on Canva. So I highly recommend it. Now I'm going to mention two content creation tools specifically for video. So Instagram now it's moving on more towards video content, and video, I've noticed that video posts perform much better. They have a wider reach. So the first app, it's called InShot. So InShot, it's one of my favorite tools, apps on my mobile phone. If I had to choose just one app on my mobile phone right now, it will be Instagram app and InShot. So InShot is great. It's a free video editor that you can use on your mobile phone. It has everything you need. It's very complete tool. It has animation, transitions, text, subtitles. You can literally do anything. Another thing I love is that you can switch up the size of the video. So you can do square videos, you can do videos for specific for Instagram stories, you can do vertical videos, horizontal videos, any size of video that you like. So I highly recommend you to try InShot. It's also free for everyone, and yeah, it's been one of my favorite apps to add subtitles. So the second app that I recommend to use for creating Instagram videos is Adobe Rush. So Adobe Rush comes on 3 different formats. You can use it on your mobile phone, on your iPad, and even on your desktop. So I use the desktop version to edit YouTube videos like this. So if you're wondering how did I edit this video, it's in Adobe Rush. So and I use the mobile version to edit videos on my phone specifically for Instagram. So it also allows you to convert YouTube videos from this size into this vertical size, which is perfect for stories. So I use it to create trailers for YouTube videos like this one. So I'll be sharing my trailer that I do in Adobe Rush on my Instagram page, so I can get more people to come and watch my YouTube videos. Okay, so let's talk about content scheduling tools. So my favorite content scheduling tools are Facebook Creator Studio. By far wins #1 content scheduling tool for Instagram because it's free. If you're a social media manager, you can schedule content for your clients if they add you as an admin to their Facebook page, and it's so easy. You can track insights, and it's the original content scheduling tool. It's simple to use, and the only issue is that it doesn't show you too detailed analytics, but for this I'm going to share my favorite analytics tools next. Now, when it comes to analytics, I'm very choosy. So I know exactly what I want, and because this is part of my job, I create analytics reports and I analyze performance on a monthly basis for my clients. I need a powerful analytics tool. So far I've been enjoying Iconosquare, both Iconosquare and Share My Insights. If I come up across any other tool, I'll definitely let you know, but for now these two tools have been really useful. So these apps both come with so many metrics to track, like everything, a complete list of metrics to track everything you need to monitor your followers, your content performance, and as well as come up with market research tools for competitor analysis. So if you want to know more about analytics, I have a full tutorial that you can watch right here. I'll leave the link down in the description so you can go and check out how I do my monthly analysis. If you want to see a review of Share My Insights, I also have a video tutorial on that. So let's go to the final category of apps that I use for Instagram management. So these are hashtag apps. So hashtags, they can really get annoying at times, so that's why it's important to have good hashtag research tools. So the #1 tool that I recommend, obviously, it's the Instagram app itself. Instagram search tool is so powerful. It allows you to just search and see in real life how many hashtags, how many posts are under each hashtag, and you can just choose from there. So I recommend you to just go on Instagram, type a keyword, and then generate a list. It will generate a list of related keywords for you to use in your post. So you can write them down, you can save them into hashtag groups in an Excel sheet, and then you can just copy them and paste them in your post. If you're looking for tools for desktop, you can also check out Display Purposes. Display Purposes, it's one of my favorites, same as IQ hashtags. You can just go the same way. It's very easy. You just type in a keyword and then the website will generate you ideas. And some of these websites, they can go even further to show you like which hashtags are trending, which hashtags are losing interest, which hashtags are popular, and they can also break down the number of posts under each hashtag. So if you're looking for hashtag research tools, I also have a blog post. Make sure you check that out if you want more information. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you have liked my recommendations, and now I'm curious to know what are your favorite tools to run your Instagram marketing. Make sure you leave a comment, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.